Oliver skipped through the jungle when suddenly, a loud sound echoed in the distance. He gasped. Was that a dinosaur? He cupped his ears and listened. I have to find out. Oliver followed the sound, pushing past thick vines. Whoa! He stopped in his tracks. In front of him was a huge, thundering waterfall. Mist swirled in the air, and a rainbow shimmered above it. But where did that roar come from? Then Oliver saw it, a baby dinosaur stranded on a slippery rock. The little dino let out another roar of fear. Oh no, you're stuck. Oliver knew he had to help fast. Oliver looked around. I need something strong. His eyes lit up. Vines! He quickly grabbed a long, thick vine and tossed one end toward the baby dinosaur. Grab on, little buddy. With a mighty pull, Oliver helped the baby dinosaur climb to safety. You did it! He cheered, hugging his new friend. The baby dino let out a happy roar. See? Curiosity always leads to amazing adventures. Oliver grinned. Thanks for watching Oliver's Dinosaur Adventures. If you like this adventure, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to tune in next week for another dino-sized adventure. See you soon.